Alright, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to program the Sequoia 2002 key. Okay, so this is a new transponder key, and I'm about to program it to this Sequoia 2002 manually. Okay, so first thing you do, now you gotta do these steps together within 10 seconds of doing it. Okay, so put it in the switch, press the gas pedal 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now press the brake 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take the program key out, put the new blank key in, and press the gas just once. Now wait, and this light's gonna start blinking. Okay, as soon as it stops blinking, that means that the key is programmed. Okay, so all I did was, let's go over this, what I did. So I just inserted the already programmed key inside the ignition. Okay, I just put it in, left it in there. I pressed the gas 5 times. I pressed the brake 6 times. Took out the already programmed key, put the new key in there, and just press the gas once. So within a minute, this light should go off already, indicating that it has been programmed. Okay. Perfect. So the key is now programmed. The light went off. So go ahead, take the key out, put it back in, and now the key is programmed. Perfect. So that's how you program a 2002 Sequoia key without any programmer. Okay. As you guys can see, this is that's the old key. Okay. Security light goes off. This is the new key I just programmed. Okay, put it in there, security light goes off. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more educational videos. So next time, guys.